Express $30 as a percentage of 80. One difficulty my students had while solving this was working with the division with those unfriendly numbers. Let me show you what it means. So the first step that students would probably do was to find 100%, and they know in these terms is $80. And straight away they will find 1%. How to do so? Take $80 divided by 100 and they will get 0.8. So the next step, they know that they have to find $30, and since 1% is equals to 0.8, they will take $30 divided by 0.8. So that's what I mean by unfriendly numbers. 30 divided by 0.8. They will probably scratch their head and find out, oh, what am I supposed to do? And if they are not good with division of decimals, that's where they will struggle. And I even have students, instead of dividing, took 30 times 80 cents, and this would derive them with a wrong answer. So I would tell them not to use these methods, but instead there is an easy alternative to solving this question. If I rephrase the question to this: express $30 as a fraction of $80. The first thing that students would do is to write it down in fraction, and they know 80 belongs to the bottom, the denominator, and 30 would be the numerator. Then they will simplify. For this, they have no difficulty at all. And the final answer will be 3/8. Now, what's the difference between expressing fraction and percentage? Remember, the meaning of percentage is things that are out of 100. Okay, you're finding percentage. So I would use this 3/8 and I multiply by 100 to find the percentage. Now this is much easier because by looking at the numbers, they have already learned how to cancel and simplify the fraction. I can straight away cancel 8 and 100, and I divide it by 4, I get 2, and I get 25. Next step, 3 times 25, I get 75, and then 75 out of 2, so I divide, and I get my final answer as 37.5. So my final answer will be 37.5%. Now, the method on the right hand side is much easier, and considering that this question appears in paper 1 and you're not allowed to use calculator, it would be easier to do it in that way rather than the methods on the right hand side, which confuses many students.